Good morning, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and today just a quick review of my Quip, Q-U-I-P, Quip toothbrush. I've had it for about 3 or 4 years now, been using it, and have been happy. Compared to what I had what's the other one? The Oral-B one that kind of goes back and forth like this before. This is like an ultrasonic style. And I can tell you my checkups have been good with this. I've liked that. It's been gentle enough on my teeth. Very happy with it until about a couple of weeks ago. Then I had a problem. The problem was when they sent me my quarterly new toothbrush and new battery to put in the thing, which is easy. I'll show you how that works. You pull that off. You pull the little motor out. Let me get the motor out. Here we go. Pull the motor out. And there's a little AAA battery inside there, which I won't. Well, actually, there's none in there now because this is my old one. We'll get to that in a second. So let me just put this back. So easy to put back. Put it head on and all that stuff too. It just slides straight in. That's my toothbrush. But it stopped working. The motor stopped. So I contacted Quip. A week later, I got my free replacement. Warranty. Beautiful thing. So yes, this is a service you're paying for. You pay about between $9 and $10. That's what it cost me. $9 or $10 once a quarter. So that times 4 for a year to get a new head and a new battery basically to keep it maintained. So when that died, they gave me a new one. So yeah, let's see. Let's pull this out. I just broke the seal. Unscrew that. Here's my new one. Even comes with a new base. Let's see, how does that come out of there? Oh, there's tape. Okay, there's tape, and let's see. Let's see, can I cut the tape to get that off of there? So, oh, here we go. That's just the holder here. So here's my brand new toothbrush. If you can hear that buzzing. There we go. So yeah, it's buzzing. And yeah, there's a little thing on it about, just little labels, what have you. So you saw that the battery is easy to change once a quarter. Here's the new base. When I pull this off, it's got like a sticky silicone on it, and it sticks to the mirror. Of course, this piece comes off. This is just for transportation. And I don't have my reading glasses on right now, so I can't read what that says to figure that out, but easy enough. So I just wanted to let you know that, yes, I am happy with this product. Just wanted to post it out there that, yes, I do enjoy the Quip toothbrush and the service they provide as well, and really liking my free replacement. So thank you, Quip. Bye for now.